Why do 70% of CapCut users face export issues? Let's dive into the fix. First, let's do some basic checks. Restart CapCut. Sometimes a simple restart clears temporary glitches. Restart your device too. Fresh starts work wonders. And check your storage space. Big projects need big space. Next, let's tweak some in-app settings. Double-check your export settings like resolution and frame rate. High settings may cause issues on less powerful devices. Try lowering them. Clear CapCut's cache. For Android, go to Settings. Apps, CapCut Storage and Cache, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload and reinstall the app. Got a slow internet connection? Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now let's check your device. Close unnecessary background apps. Update CapCut to the latest version. If you're on a PC, disable hardware encoding under Settings. Performance. Still stuck? Export smaller sections to pinpoint issues, and ensure all media files are supported formats. Finally, if nothing works, reinstall CapCut. Problem solved? Great! If not, leave a comment and we'll help you out.